saying is that Prakash Vlogs is my main channel. It was made on 2023, 5 May. I'm going to show you the channel. What are you doing?
I'm showing my friend your hair.
Show them my hair.
I show them also. Come, they want to see it in the front. They was asking me where is Nunu, why she's not greeting us like before.
Why she's in the playground.
Yeah, I told them she was in the playground. I told them they always asking why Nunu is not greeting us like before. She's not coming and not talking to us.
Sorry, I didn't come because I was in the playground.
Yeah. Oh, who gave you? I didn't see to thank them. You should say thank you. Mimi, say thank you, Mimi.
Thank you, Mimi.
Guys, Nunu, she was at the playground. That's the reason she didn't come. They said, we miss her. Why she's not coming like before?
So, Mommy?
Reading our comment and replying to us.
Did they say in the mic? Did they say in the mic?
Yes, they told me in Amharic.
Wait, Mom. You know? Mommy, they're saying Habu. Thank you, Mimi. They're saying Habu.
Habu?
Daddy,
they are going to write in Amharic. You read. Okay. Look, what is this?
Habu.
Okay.
That Habu is your nickname in the mic.
Exactly. That's my nickname. God, did you sit down? What is this? Read.
You say when I'm responsible. This is there's no.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
She have no. Okay. Read this.
Read. Don't believe me. There is no agent.
Mimi is her name in Amharic. What? What is I love you? You know how to write it, this one. What is I love you in Amharic?
I love you in Amharic?
Okay.
Wo.
Okay.
Te.
Okay.
Sha.
Okay.
Lo.
Okay, together?
I want to say lo.
Okay. And what is it?
Google it.
After what shallow there is.
Mommy, Mommy.
Yes.
Tell her to say I will shallow side me.
Okay, come. No. She said what shallow. What you say? Say thank you. Okay, no.
Yes.
She said what shallow. What you reply?
You reply? I will shallow too. A name I want to shallow.
Bravo. A name what shallow. Two means a name, Simon. Okay. When someone say what hello, you say what name what hello.
But what you didn't tell her to say I will shallow.
No, you said
hello, Simon.
Yeah.
I love you too, Nunu.
Why you reply in English? Tell her any more what shallow.
Sorry, Mommy, I don't know.
Try. If you try, you can, Mommy. You never try.
I will shallow, Nunu.
Bravo. You see, you can.
Okay.
Bravo. Where? Bravo, you see you can. No, when they give you gift, you should thank them. Tell them thank you for the gift.
Thank you for the gift.
You see, work and she gives.
Thank you for the TikTok hat.
Yes, now go and have your cake. I love you so much. I am lucky to have you as my daughter.
Me too. I'm lucky to have the best mother in the world.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Simon,
Yep.
You love me?
Yes.
How much?
I love you and your family.
You love me and my family?
Yeah, your TikTok family. I love you.
Thank you. But how much you love me? How much?
Simon! More than anything in the world.
More than anything in the world?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Me too. I love you more than anything in the world.
I love you more than anything in the world except Daddy.
What you mean?
I love you more than anything in the world except Daddy.
Except Daddy means you love me that not more than Daddy.
No, it means I love you equally.
Equally? Okay, you love us equal both. Yes. What about Nunu?
I love her to the moon and back. I love her to the moon and back, but sometimes she's not. I love her to the moon and back, but sometimes she's not.
ቀቀልኩት። አዎ ከበሰለ እኮ ቡና ስትል አንስቼው ነው። አንሺው ይኸው እስኪ ከበሰለ ካልበሰለ ውሃ ጨምረሽ ጣጁ ከበሰለ እንትን በይው። ልበላ ስል እቀላቀለዋለሁ። በተናደሽ ወይ በላቸው። ለምን ማን ብሎ ነው? Simon, he loves you more than anything in the world, okay?
Okay. No, I said, mommy. No, mommy.
Avocado.
No, mommy.
Avocado ለብቻ ከሆነ አይጠቁርማ?
Mommy.
አይ ልጅ ይዞ ነው ፍሬሽ የሚቀመጥ። አይጠቁርም ፍሬሽ ይቀመጥ።
Mommy.
አቮካዶ እንትን ኪንጆ ብቻ ነው።
Mommy.
ኪንዋ ብቻ ይበቃል። ኪንዋና ሰላጣ ብቻ ይበቃል። አቮካዶ እንትን እሺ ማለት ነው። ኪንዋውን ለብቻ ሰላጣው ለብቻ ይቀመጣል። ማታ ሲርበኝ እኔ ቀላቀይ ይበቃል።
Mommy, I didn't say edible. Tikkun is edible.
What?
Tikkun is edible.
I don't understand.
Mommy, it's edible.
Very good?
Gold.
The gold?
No, mommy, I would say gold is edible.
What that means edible?
It means you can eat it.
Yes, eatable, yes.
No, gold, you cannot eat gold. That is not food.
በአባታችን ነው ነገር ያመጣብኝ። ነፍሴን አስጨንቋት ጋይስ። ምን እንደሚሉ አንዳንዴ እንግሊዝኛቸው አይገባኝ። ጎልድ ይበላል። ኦኬ እኔ ቃሏ ላይ ኢተብል አትለኝም? ምናምን ሚል ዳት ኢዝ ለምን ጎልድ እንደሆነ ነገራቸው። ጎልድ አይበላም እያሉ
Food guy change the color of the food and make it still edible.
ኢደብል አሁን ከዚህ በኋላ ኢደብል አውቃለሁ። ቆይ ማነው የእነሱ ኢደብል ነው የሚባለው? ኢደብል አይደል የሚበላ ነገር? ሎሚ አድርጊበት አቮካዶ ላይ ተቆርጦ አቮካዶ ይቀርብኝ ዛሬ። ቆይ ማለት ነው ኢደቡ ነው። ኦኬ አላውቅም ነበር። ዛሬ ተማርኩ ከልጆቼ። ወይዘዌ እነሱ በጣም ብዙ እንግሊዝኛ ያስለምዱኛል ትምህርት ቤት ስለሚማሩ። አይበላም ካልኳት አባቷ ኬኩ ላይ ያለው ጎልድ ነው ብሏታል። እውነትም ጎልድ ነው።
Mommy, I never understand what you're saying. Because you're speaking Amharic.
Yes, I was talking with my family.
Are you translated?
Yes, please. We was talking me and them. Is it gold eatable or no? Eatable or no?
Of course they will say no.
Happy ayet ነገር እንዳመጣክ ፍቅሬ
Guys,
እንዴት ነገር እንዳመጣክ
come here.
Yes, I will. But daddy, they will see daddy don't want to come in the camera. You can come here. ሊያወራቸው ልክ እንደራሱ ሰው አንድ ወደዚያ ዙ
Guys, say no. Gold is not edible.
Why? Who said?
Because it's solid and it's not food matter.
አንተ ነህ ነገር ያመጣከው ጎልድ እንደሆነ ባትነግራቸው ባያውቁ
One gold bar is equal to $1 million.
Mashallah. One gold bar equal to $1 million. Okay, Simon, ፓፒ ወይ ተሳስቼ ነው ብለህ ይቅርታ ጠይቃቸዋለሁ። ወርቅ ብለሃቸው እየተከራከሩ ነበር። ከዛ ኢደብል የሚለው ቃል እኔ አልገባኝም። እኔ ኢደብል የማውቀው የሚበላ ነገር ከዛ ጎልድ ኢደብል ይሉኛል። ጎልድ ከዛ በዚህ ጋር ስጠይቅ ኢደብል ነው የሚባለው EDI ምናምን ሶ gold is not edible. Okay, daddy?
Daddy?
That is metal.
Mommy.
Look, I can't tell you what
Edible means safe to eat.
Yeah.
Guys,
now I know. Edible means safe to eat. Something safe to eat. Okay, guys? After marriage, yes.
If it's not edible, it's not safe. Can I watch my favorite movie now?
You want to watch your favorite movie? Of course.
I mean, cartoon.
Cartoon where? In which TV?
Let's watch Ruby Roblox TV. Come, let's go. You wanna watch Ruby Roblox TV?
Simon and Simon, you're shocking. Come, one of my friends, she tell me to kiss you. She want me to kiss you in front of her. She want me to see. She loves you, so she tell me to kiss you for her. Okay? Thank you. Here, my love, I kiss you for you. Come, Lila, so about family. Okay, Daddy. Okay, someone also tell me to kiss you. No, she tell me she loves you. I know
That's the one for me.
she tell me to kiss you. Here,
Yeah, but mommy say after I finish the kiss, I will show you the name of the show.
Me too, but I'm with the show. I am lucky to have you.
And I want to show you.
I'm very lucky to have a daughter like you.
Yeah, to thank you. And I want to show you. And that thing. Family, can I have the remote? No, I finished my cake.
Yeah, which remote? Your room TV?
This TV to show us.
This TV is not mine. This is for Daddy. He's the one will give you permission.
But Daddy told me you be the remote. This is you.
With me, no, I didn't see the remote.
Is it the remote is in the kitchen.
There. It was in the
It was in the kitchen.
Papi, let me see TV. He have his own TV, right?
Yeah, Simon, you have your own TV, bro.
But I want to show.
Let's ሳትበልላቸው ፓፒ እነዚህ ልጆች ድንግል ማርያም መንታ ተሳፍቀፈሽ ኔ ውጭ አሜን ኔ እናት ተባረኪልኝ። ኑኑ ሀና ኢዝ ኮሊንግ ዩ ጉድ ገርል ሳይመን ጊቭ ዘ ሪሞት ባክ ቱ ዳዲ ኤንድ go to your room. I mean, you will not watch movie here, right?
Yeah, I will show you in the kitchen.
Okay, you just want to show him your channel? I also want to see your channel. My son create new channel and he is going to show us in the TV. I will show you also, okay? I am going to show my family also.
Windows.
እናንተ ቅድም ሳይመን ትወደኛለ ምን ያህል ትወደኛል ስለ አንቺንም ቤተሰቦችን ወዳቸዋል። እናንተ እኮ ነው ቤተሰቦችን ያቸው። ሶስተኛ እየጸለይኝ ነው በአዲሱ ቤት። አሚን አሚን ያረብ። ግን ፈጣሪ ቢሰጠኝም ባይሰጠኝም ትክክል ነው። አም ሀፒ አሁን ባለኝ በሁለት ልጅ ደስተኛ ነኝ። እሱ ከፈለገና ከፈቀደ ሶስተኛ ልጅ ከሰጠን ደስ ይለናል፣ ካልሰጠንም ደስ ይለናል። ትክክል ነው። ቢሰጠንም ባይሰጠንም በደስታ ህይወታችንን እንቀጥላለን። ቁጭ ብለን ልጅ አንጠብቅም። ህይወታችንን እየኖረን እግረ መንገዳችን አሜን ብለን እንቀበል። ካልሰጠን ሁለቱን አመስግነን እናሳድጋለን።
One video? What is this? 1 minute, please. Okay, coming soon. Show me the coming soon. And